It begins with a whisper, not a loud screech or flap, just the soft, unsettling breeze of something above you. You are unwrapping your sandwich. Maybe it is tuna, maybe it is ham. It does not matter. It's yours. You take one bite.
Yummy!
A second, and then, bam! A white blur, a squawk. Your sandwich gone. Replaced by a single greasy feather and the sound of flapping wings soaring into the distance. Congratulations! You have just been targeted by the world's most relentless snack thief. And its name? Seagull.
Let us clear something up. Seagull is not one kind of bird, it is a whole crew, like a feathery biker gang. Technically, they are from the Laridae family, which includes over 50 species of gulls. They vary in size, behavior, and noise levels, but all share one thing in common: no respect for your lunch. These birds are not limited to the sea either. Despite the name, they live near rivers, lakes, landfills, shopping centers, and wherever humans drop food. They are loud, proud, and not remotely shy. Seagulls are born opportunists. Their motto might as well be, "If you chew it, we can steal it." They are not picky. Their diet includes fish and crustaceans. Fish fries, especially curly ones, pizza, popcorn, potato salad, unattended sandwiches, unidentified squishy beach food. They have even been seen fighting over a single chip like it was a golden ticket. Gulls also work together in groups. One distracts the human, another sneaks from behind, a third acts innocent on a railing. It is like Ocean's 11, but louder and with more flapping. Do not let the yelling fool you. Gulls are excellent flyers. They have got a wingspan of up to 4 feet, can glide effortlessly for miles, and use warm air currents, thermals, to stay airborne with barely a flap. They have been seen flying inland during storms, circling over football stadiums, and hovering over food courts like winged food critics. Ever wonder how they find a single French fry on a crowded beach? 2 words: supervision. Okay, it is technically called acute binocular vision, but supervision sounds cooler. If a seagull had a volume knob, it would be broken at max forever. Their screams can mean, "This is my territory," "Back off, that is my shrimp," "Hey human, feed me or face the consequences." They communicate constantly, with chicks, with rivals, with that pigeon who dared look at them funny. They even imitate other gulls' calls to trick each other. Yes, they lie in bird language, with sound. Gulls nest on cliffs, rooftops, piers, dumpsters, and once, during a science fair, inside a model volcano. Their nests are made of grass, twigs, garbage, socks, and whatever else they can find. Chicks are adorable fluff balls with legs. They are born ready to explore and scream. Parents are protective, very protective. If you go near the nest, prepare to get dive-bombed by a furious parent who just ate half a taco and is not afraid to use it as ammo. They will scream, poop, and even projectile vomit to defend their nest. So yeah, respect the nest. Seagulls are brilliant. They have been observed dropping clams on rocks to crack them, stomping to trick worms out of the soil. Watching humans and learning from their actions. Opening chip bags with beaks. Remembering specific people who have fed or wronged them. One gull in England was even caught commuting daily to a sandwich shop, waiting in line with the customers and stealing food as soon as someone turned around. Truly an icon. Despite their boldness, gulls do not have it easy. Climate change, pollution, plastic waste, and loss of natural food sources have made survival harder. So, what did gulls do? Adapt. They moved inland. They raided stadiums. They became garbage gourmets. They did not just survive, they thrived. Sure, they are rude, but they are also one of the few species who have figured out how to live alongside noisy, snap-dropping humans. That is impressive. Some scientists believe seagulls may be forming snack-based societies. Think about it. One gull spots a kid with curly fries. It screeches, not just any screech. This one means free food at table 7. Suddenly, 10 gulls appear from nowhere, like food ninjas in feathered coats. They circle, calculate wind speed, analyze ketchup splatter zones. They choose a leader, they dive. Boom, fries gone. But what happens after? They do not just fly off, no. They land nearby. They argue. They split the loot. They remember which technique worked best. Some even practice mock attacks using bottle caps and paper wrappers. Are they planning something bigger? A coordinated snack raid on all beach cities at once? We do not know. But if you ever see a seagull holding a map, maybe do not eat outside that day. You think you are alone. You are not. You think that bag of chips is safe. It is not. Somewhere above, perched on a street lamp, a pair of eyes are locked onto your snack like lasers. The wind shifts, the wings twitch, and then nothing. You look around. All clear. You breathe out. But that is when it hits you. Your sandwich is gone. Your fries, scattered like fallen soldiers. Only a single white feather remains. No witnesses, no suspects. Just the sound of distant laughter, high-pitched and echoing through the breeze. Some say it was the wind, but you know better. It was a seagull, and somewhere, it is planning its next move.